Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make another delicious fresh salad. Okay, this salad I use tuna and other ingredients. You can check the description for all the ingredients. Okay, all right guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. The salad I'm using ice bag are soaked in the water with bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so I'm going to be washing that off in a bit. So I'm going to be using extra virgin of olive oil, vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. There I have some tuna, I have some mozzarella, salt, cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to be using red onion as well. Like I said, this salad is very simple to put together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now to wash that salad. Okay guys, now it's time to mix everything together. So I'm going to pour in the salad into my bowl. After doing that, I'm going to add some salt. After salt, I'm going to add the tuna, the mozzarella, the tomatoes, basically everything I'm going to be adding together into this salad. I'm going to be adding them at this time. You can also add yours, include anything you feel like, even cucumber and other vegetables you want to add into this salad. They are delicious guys, very simple to put together. Okay, so I'm adding extra virgin of olive oil now. After then I'm going to add my tomatoes, my vinegar, then mix them and add my red onion. Make sure you're going to be using red onion for this recipe because it gives it that delicious fresh flavor. I don't know, but you need to try it. Use red oil, red onion, okay, not red oil, red onion. All right, so this is the final result guys. You're going to love this salad. Trust me, you will love it. So feel free to subscribe, share this video, give it a try, and let me know what you think about it after trying it. Like I said, trust me, you are going to love this salad. The freshness alone is everything. You can take it to work, you can take it to the seaside, to the swimming pool side, anywhere you want to take it. It's so fresh, refreshing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.